Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another video. Yes, this is a PC build video and this would be a second generation Ryzen build. Let me take you through the components which I'm going to use in this PC build, and I will also share the price about all the components. By the way, all the product link would be in the description box below. You can go ahead and check out the live price for those components. So let's just go ahead and start with the component first. This is a cabinet. This is NTech P8 cabinet. If you really want to check a dedicated video for this, the link would be in the description below for a dedicated video for this cabinet. The cabinet is for 5,200 rupees only. The next thing is a processor. Yes, it is a second generation Ryzen build and this is AMD Ryzen 5 2600X. It has got 6 core and 12 threads. The price for the processor is 18,500 rupees only. The next thing which we have is a gigabyte motherboard. The model is AX370 Gaming. Yes, this is a wonderful motherboard for just 10,400 rupees only. For the GPU, we have MSI 1060 6GB graphic card. This is overclock edition and it has dual fan. The price for this GPU is only 31,000 rupees. And the PSU is a Corsair VS650 and this would be sufficient for this build. The price for this power supply is 4,200 only. The next component is RAM. This is G-Skill Ripjaw V series and this is a 16GB kit, 3000 MHz for 16,000 only. The next thing which we need is an SSD. This is M.2 SSD 250GB Samsung 860 EVO and the price for this SSD is 6,999 rupees. Also, we need a hard drive for the storage. So right now my subscriber really wants a 2TB hard drive. So this is 2TB hard drive. If in case you want 1TB, you can probably go for 1TB. 1TB will cost you approx 3,000 rupees. The one which I have selected is for 4,700 only. So 2TB hard drive blue, 4,700 only. And of course a genuine window. This is Window Professional 64-bit for 6,500 rupees only. Yes, of course there are websites where you can get window cheaper, but again I have bought this from the Microsoft official and this is the price for the store, 6,500 for Window Pro 10 64-bit. That's about the components. And of course, yes, a Wi-Fi device. This is for approx 250 to 300 rupees, but again this is complimentary for you. That's about the components which we're gonna use for the today's build, and if in case you have any questions, do let me know in the comments related to this build. Also, all the product link would be in the description box below. You can go ahead and check out them if in case you want to purchase. Let's just go ahead and start building our PC. The CPU fan heatsink comes with pre-applied thermal paste, so you really don't have to add additional thermal paste. And yes, the CPU cooler is very good in quality, so thumbs up for the stock cooler. Not every motherboard RAM slot priority are same, so look for the manual of your motherboard. Check for your motherboard manual which RAM slot should you use. Make sure every brand motherboard has a different RAM slot priority. Alright, that was a gameplay and all about the PC build, and I must say the second generation processor is a bit impressive because recently I have made the same 6 core and 12 thread build which was for Ryzen 5 1600, and this is the same processor but the second generation. The performance is impressive and it is very stable. As of now I have not installed any aftermarket cooler, so this is a stock cooler right now and it is performing well. So what I have suggested my subscriber, go ahead with the stock cooler, and if in case you think the temperature is really increasing, then probably we can put a aftermarket cooler. So that's about the PC build. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. I would love to answer them. And if you want to purchase the product, the link would be in the description box below. About the video, I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching, stay happy and stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.